Lynn, if you're heading out to the fair, just make sure you have that umbrella because we have seen these on and off showers and storms throughout Tazewell County, especially today. But there's some really big news I wanted to share. We've now got a new named tropical storm, and this system could actually eventually bring us some more rain, wider spread rain, as we head into next week. This storm was just named within the past hour or so, and it looks to continue on its northwesterly track into the Gulf of Mexico. It could make landfall as a hurricane along the Gulf Coast over the weekend. Now, after that, it does look to continue to push inland and eventually could bring us a lot of moisture. Now, it's still pretty early. This track has plenty of time to shift depending on how it interacts with land, how it moves into the Gulf of Mexico and really takes on that warmer water. So we're going to have to watch Ida very closely, but Tropical Storm Ida has formed. And we've got two other disturbances in the Atlantic that could become two more named storms. So we are not done with hurricane season yet. It runs until November. Remember that. Now here at home, besides these pop-up showers and storms, we've been kind of quiet. High pressure at the upper levels of the atmosphere. We've also got high pressure at the surface. High pressure also has been kind of shifting slowly eastward though, and as it does so, it opens the door for more of a southwesterly wind flow. That's why we've been hot, we've been humid, but we haven't had a frontal system to really interact with the moisture. This high pressure forces sinking air instead of rising air, so you don't get a lot of thunderstorms and showers, at least widespread, but you get these pop-up ones, hit or miss type, and they drop a lot of rain at one time. And that's what the kind of thing we're concerned about the rest of today. It's been hot and humid enough for these off and on convective lines of showers and storms. Temperatures today in the 80s, if not the 90s. We had a cell earlier actually drop several inches of rain in Tazewell County, so there is a flood advisory still out there until 7:45 as of now. And there's still some heavier downpours, at least on the western side of the county toward Richlands right now. We're still watching some other areas of rain across western Greenbrier, northern Fayette counties too. So if you're in the vicinity of these storms, be careful, especially on the roads. Ponding on the roads, localized flooding could be possible. Once we hit the sundown hours though, after sundown, we shouldn't see much more activity, just some fog and clouds tonight. And tomorrow looks a lot like today. Showers, some storms during the afternoon, still kind of steamy. We're talking 80s and low 90s. Next week, again, that better chance of rain could come in with that tropical moisture. We're also going to have a cold front interacting with that possible tropical storm or what's left of it. So really Wednesday, I'm thinking Tuesday into Wednesday next week, looking like our best rain chance. Until then, it's just going to be kind of steamy with these more off and on pop-up type showers and storms tomorrow. Again, looking a lot like today. Pretty much same forecast through the weekend too. We're hot, humid, just these kind of isolated showers and thunderstorms. Cooler though, with a better chance of rain next week. Melinda, Martin.
All right, thank you, Catherine. Today, Concord University and WVVA made it official. The TV